Hello everyone, in today's video we will see Leetcode problem 495, Teemo attacking, and it is an easy problem. So in this problem there is a hero called Teemo and he's attacking an enemy Ashe with a poison attack, and it is said that the Ashe gets poisoned for exactly duration is a second, so he's getting affected by the poison for duration point of time. And if we can say it like an attack at second t will remain ash is poison during the inclusive time interval of t to t plus duration minus 1. So once an attack is done to the ashe, it will remain till t to t plus duration minus 1 time interval. Okay, so if Teemo attacks again before the poison effect ends, the timer for it is reset and the poison effect will end duration second after the new attack. Okay, so it is an ascending integer array. And we are given with array time series, where time series I denotes the Teemo attacks at that second, and an integer duration. So we need to return the total number of second that Ashe is poisoned. Okay, so let us understand the example. So the time series is 1 comma 4, which means that the attack has been done at first time. It means we can consider a number line where attack is done at 1, and it will remain till next 2 unit. For example, an attack is done at 1, then it will remain till 1 to 2, 2 to 3. It will remain till 3. So next attack is done at 4, so it will remain from 4 to next 2 unit. For example, 4, 5, 6. It will remain from 4 to 6, and this attack will remain from 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 and 4 to 6. So there it is covering 4 units, so we will return 4. And the second example is 1 comma 2. So first attack is done at 1 and the duration is 2, so it will remain from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. It will remain from 1 to 3. And the second attack is done at 2, so it will remain from 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So in total it will remain from 1 to 3. So it will remain from 1 to 3, so 1 to 2, 2 to 3. No, it will remain from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, because 2 will remain from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, so it will remain from 1 to 4. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, so we need to return 3. So there are total 3 seconds. So what we can do in this problem, that we can initialize a sum and put it as 0, and we need to create a for loop, and I is equal to 1, I should be less than equal to time, let us consider its size to be n, int n is equal to dot size. Okay, size should be less than n and I plus plus. So what we need to do is that we need to take our sum, and we need to put the minimum of time series of I minus time series of I minus 1. We need to subtract 4. We need to subtract 2 from 1. We need to subtract 1 from 2, so 2 minus 1, and then we need to take the minimum of it with duration. Okay, so we need to put this minimum into our sum, and at last we need to return our sum plus duration, because we are not adding for the last number. We are not adding the duration for the last number, because here the first one, it will take 2 seconds. so it will take 2 seconds. So here the duration is 2, and then we are taking the difference here. So 2 minus 1, which is 1. So we are taking 1 comma 2, so the minimum is 1. Okay, so the minimum is 1, so we will put 1 into our sum, and we are not calculating the duration for the second because we are adding it here. So in our sum we have 1, and we are adding 1 with duration 2. Okay, so our we will return 3 here. So this is a special case here, so we are mostly dealing with this. Okay, so let us try to run this. Oh, I missed a semicolon here. Oh, everything looks fine, so let us run this. Okay, it is accepting all the test cases, so let us try to sum it. Okay, so it is accepted. So thank you guys. If you find this video informative for you and you get to learn something from this video, then please do subscribe and like, and do support me. Thank you.